Hello and welcome to my garden. Today I start a new project, 90-second natives. I'm going to tell you about a native plant and I only have 90 seconds to do it. So start the clock for melastoma malabithricum. Also known as melastoma affine, native to China, native lasiandra, blue tongue plant, or in the Yolngu language, dumulu. It prefers a fertile, well-drained, moist soil. It likes part shade, preferably with no afternoon sun, or light dappled shade. It's a small to medium shrub that is suitable for pots, rockeries and garden beds. It does need protection from hot winds. You can propagate it via cuttings or seed. It has beautiful lush green foliage with contrasting reddish stems. In good conditions, it has a lovely thick habit and flowers over and over again the whole year. The berries are slightly sweet, not exceptional. I have heard that if you cook the berries, they become a lot sweeter. The children love the berries for the blue stains that they leave on their tongues. I love this plant for the flowers and the bees and the leaves and the stem. I mean, what's not to love about this plant? It is a little more maintenance than most of my garden, but I wouldn't call them high maintenance. They do need reasonable moisture and they like a handful of fertilizer every now and again. The flowers are more consistent and plentiful in spring and summer, but they are by no means absent during the rest of the year. It is distributed from the south coast of New South Wales all the way along the coast to the Kimberleys in Western Australia. Wow, 90 seconds goes fast. I have so much more to say about this beautiful plant, but time's up. If you would like to hear more 90-second natives, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.